I don't know what I'm saying here. Just it's Monday, August 26, 12:58, and well, oh, heck, well, not okay. So I should say it like this. I guess life starts in a paper bag, right? So here's a paper bag I've had for over 10 years. What does that look like? Recognize it? Well, a bunch of parts, okay? So put the bunch of parts back up on the shelf, alright? And, you know, we've got these Sanyos here. We've got those two, that one there, and then again, the other Sanyo way back there. But we're not talking about that. We're talking about the paper bag, okay? The paper bag is this one here, okay? That's what it is. It is a Sanyo M-S300K Sanyo. But we're not really talking about that. I'm just trying to explain to you that this I've had for well over 10 years. And I don't know when I bought that one to replace it, but anyway, let me just transition here. So this is, you know, the radio room, right? Nothing but radios, top to bottom. Okay, got it? Lots of radios. All right, even got a Victor M90 in here. Okay, and stuff. Now, that paper bag transitioned to a plastic tub, which is labeled M7900. And the lid's even labeled M7900. Okay. And so here is the, let's see, here is the front to the M7900, and then, oh heck, let's just get the box out, okay? Alright, so here's the box, alright? Here's the box, and here is the backside of the M7900, okay? But what I've been doing is I've been repairing the M7850K. Is that the right number? Let's see. Okay, so, alright, so now, yeah, we got our shoes on. Okay, so, alright, so here, there is the, this is the 7900 right there, okay? In all its broken glory. I took it way too far apart over 10 years ago. Alright, okay. So now, here's what. I don't even know where the back, okay, oh that's right. Okay, on the table here is a, let's zoom in. Whoops, will it focus? That's what it is, right? Well, it won't do it. Anyway, there's 7850, okay? And then here's the speakers to it. And the speakers, you know, the speakers have got, they got dust and some little white things in there and such. And anyway, so just going to put that over there, alright? So now that I've showed you that, okay, put this thing on the tripod. And just, oh, don't fall. Oh, great. I gotta raise it up. Oh, there you go. Alright, there we go. So now it's on the tripod, 4 minutes. Okay, let's play some music. Alright, so, okay, so we got it plugged in, got it powered on. Here's that. So we have to, that's right, we're using the front of this because I can't remember all these controls. So here is the controls. Let's see, all the way over is tape. The next one over is radio. Come on.
suffer from burning, tingling, or numb feet, pay special attention as we discuss neuropathy with Dr. Todd Peterson, D.C. Doctor, what is neuropathy?
Peripheral neuropathy is nerve damage to the feet and legs and hands.
What are the symptoms?
The symptoms are numbness, burning, tingling, pain, and loss of balance.
Is neuropathy treatable?
It's absolutely treatable. We've seen amazing results.
If you have burning, tingling, numbness, coldness in your feet or hands, or balance issues, call Park City's Neuropathy and Wellness today for a free nerve damage screening. This screening will tell if you're at risk for serious complications and if you're a candidate for our cutting-edge treatment program. Don't wait until your symptoms are so severe nothing can be done.
No trouble.
Neuropathy leaves people confined to
All the
walkers,
trouble.
wheelchairs, even
No
amputations.
base.
The first 10 callers will receive a free nerve
All
damage
the
screening.
base.
Simply
All
call
right.
214-530-9791 now. Call 214-530-9791 for your free nerve damage screening.
Back one per tape, and then this has, what does it have? See which one is which. This is different. Okay, this is rewind. Like, okay, I gotta pick it up a little bit. Oh, no, don't do that. Okay. Okay, so now that's rewind. Stop. That's, well, okay, wait. Okay, there we go. And then this is play, and this is volume, and it's got a music search right here, right? So let's see if we can, this is a rewind way over here, so it just, there we go. So their music search works. Let's try it in forward, right? Well, okay. Well, it worked a moment ago. Well, okay. Still need some adjustments, I'm guessing here, but and now this. Okay, that's right. 'Cause wheel? Yeah, need some adjustments on here still. There we go. That's the next song. That's full blast. And can we see myself on the thing here? Yeah, so you can. There we go. So, anyway, I just wanted to show you that's progress here. Okay. Wish it could go louder, but it can't. That's full blast on these little tiny speakers. Alright, messing with your head here is like, which is left, which is right, but, and of course, no treble, no bass, all the bass, all the treble. Again, you're not going to hear much of these little speakers, but I just want to show you it's working. And I hope to get, I'm going to keep this one apart so I can repair this thing here, which I took apart a long time ago, and I took it apart because this belt is loose right here, the main drive belt, but I took it too far apart because I didn't know what I was doing back then. So now I know I've got to get the circuit board back together, and then I've got to get, once I get the circuit board back together, then I've got to take this off the front. And then this comes off, and then I change the belts on this one and hopefully get it all back together. The only other problem is, while I do have the front and back cases for this, I don't think I have all the knobs for it. So hopefully I can find the knobs for it. And if not, they still stick out far enough that you can operate it. So I'm good. Alright. I just want to show you like that. So, you having fun? Alright, so another 10 minutes. Okay, So that's the inside of this one here, right? Anyway, I'm having fun. That's what I like to do. And if you're interested in buying this after I get it all back together and working out, that's available too. Alright, so good day, thanks for watching, bye bye. And there goes the cruddy tape. Come on, you tape. What's the next one? Here. Too much fun.